Alright, we got a Trask intake for a 2018 Indian Scout bobber. Actually, this one's showing for 2016. They didn't actually have one specific to. Show you the part number there. This guy came from Revzilla. I tried Fort 9 here in Canada, but they didn't really have much. They just had some K&N. I almost stabbed myself. K&N high flow filters, which probably would have been fine. But everybody's kind of talk about the Trask ones. Kind of having the best. Seems nicely packaged. Pretty straightforward. There is your air filter. Some vacuum ports. Have to read the directions. One's probably from some of the emissions, I'm sure. Comes a nice clamp, dry filter, little Trask logo on there. Some vacuum lines replaced, going from, I don't know, I'll find out in the directions. And then some nice color directions, which is always nice. Trying to go through stuff. These I've seen guys do these. These can be a pain in the butt because the engine is a stressed member. You pretty much have to support the bottom of the bike before you undo it because it will fall in on itself. So I'll be sure to go over that install when I do it. Thanks.